Hey everyone! Did you know that by growing your own herbs, you can save up to $300 a year on groceries? Crazy, right? Or have you ever thought about how much better your meals could taste with fresh, homegrown herbs compared to those sad, dried ones from the store? Let's dive into why you should consider growing your own herbs. Growing your own herbs is not just for the green thumbs out there. It's actually super accessible and rewarding for anyone who loves to cook or just enjoys a little gardening. Imagine stepping outside and grabbing fresh basil or rosemary right when you need it. Sounds amazing, right? Let's explore how this simple practice can enhance your cooking and your life. Presentation of problem/challenge. Now, let's talk about the challenges we all face when it comes to buying fresh herbs. First off, have you noticed how pricey those little herb bundles can be? And then there's the issue of freshness. Sometimes, they're already looking wilted when you buy them. Not to mention, certain herbs can be hard to find depending on the season. This often leads us to rely on dried herbs, which, let's be honest, just don't pack the same punch and flavor. You end up missing out on that vibrant taste that only fresh herbs can bring to your dishes. So, why not take the plunge and grow your own? Exploration/development. Alright, here are the 6 life-changing reasons why you should start growing your own herbs. First up, cost savings. As I mentioned earlier, growing your own can save you a ton of cash. Next, let's talk flavor. Fresh herbs can totally elevate your dishes and make your meals taste like they're from a gourmet restaurant. Then, there are the health benefits. Fresh herbs are packed with nutrients and antioxidants that are often lost when herbs are dried. Fourth, convenience. Having herbs at your fingertips means you can whip up a delicious meal without a last-minute grocery run. Fifth, the environmental impact. Growing your own herbs means less plastic packaging and a smaller carbon footprint. And lastly, the joy of gardening. Getting your hands dirty can be therapeutic and rewarding, plus it's a great way to connect with nature. Climax/key moment. Now, let's get to the most surprising reason to grow your own herbs. Drum roll, please. It's all about enhancing your mental well-being. That's right. Studies have shown that gardening can reduce stress, improve your mood, and even boost your overall mental health. Just imagine the satisfaction you'll feel watching those herbs grow and knowing you're nurturing something from seed to table. It's a game changer for your cooking and your lifestyle. Conclusion/summary. So, to recap, we've covered 6 amazing reasons to grow your own herbs. You can save money, enjoy better flavor, score health benefits, experience ultimate convenience, make a positive environmental impact, and improve your mental well-being. It's clear that growing herbs is a win-win for anyone. Trust me, you won't regret it. Call to action, CTA. I want to hear from you. Have you ever tried growing your own herbs, or do you have any tips to share? Drop your experiences in the comments below. And if you're hungry for more gardening tips and tricks, be sure to check out my other videos. Happy gardening, everyone!